you get your fork. Put it in your mouth. Only if you eat your pasta, dude.
Are you all done, Reed?
Are you all done with dinner?
You want to get down?
Do you want to get down? Okay, then you need to eat. If you're not eating, then you need to get down. No. You can say, sit down, please. Please. Okay, I'll sit down. You need to eat some food, please. Put some pasta in your mouth. Then dinner's all done. I can't wait to show this to you when you're 18. Are you all done? Let's start cleaning up then. What? Are you all done with dinner? There's nothing down there. You need to eat or else we're all done. That needs to go in your mouth or dinner's all done. Thank you. Try not to fill up on that. Save some room. Just turn. Hi. All right, good job. Have some more. Okay, then dinner's all done. It's time to clean up. Turn around so I can clean you up. We're all done with dinner. No, you can't have a cookie. You didn't eat your dinner. No, no cookies, because you still have pasta on your plate. Okay? If you want to eat some pasta, okay, then you can get down. Yep, here's your cup.
Bye-bye.
See ya. Bye-bye.